Good morning, everyone. Tonight is our spa night. Back when we did our trip to Dreammore, the night before our trip, I wanted us to look nice. I wanted to get like toes done, and I never like really have time to like give myself a pedicure, but I do my own pedicures. And I was like, you know what? I think the girls would like a spa night too. Now, we didn't tell them because if the trip is part of, I'm gonna stir my coffee real quick. So as you know, we do surprises for trips sometimes. One of the reasons why is sometimes those trips are part of a birthday present. So for Sarah, it was, she wanted to stay at a hotel for her birthday that had a pool. So we stayed at Dreammore. So with us going somewhere new like Dreammore, I wanted to do like pedicures and manicures and just do like a spa night, let them soak their feet for a while and relax. And dual purpose, while they were relaxing, I was able to pack their suitcase and things without ruining a surprise for Sarah, because that's what she wanted. She wanted a surprise trip. So they like surprise trips. Somebody has asked me, do you always do that just like for be controlling, or do your kids actually like the surprise trips? They actually like the surprise trips. So we do surprise trips, and we like to do things like spa nights before that. So I'm gonna actually show you this time how we do our spa nights, and we even picked up some things from Dollar Tree to do a nice spa night at home. But because we have, if you can see into the living room, we have hardwood floors, and I just don't like the idea of putting buckets of water on hardwood floors. But the kitchen floor is tile. So my thought was, get the kitchen cleaned up, and it's not that bad. A couple of pans out from last night. There's a few amount of dishes for everybody to divide up, and with us all dividing it up, 5-10 minutes per person, and we're done. So once all that's done, I can focus on like getting the floor completely mopped down, wiping all the counters down, and just having a nice spa night together at home with the girls tonight. The dishes are completely caught up. There's like a few on the table, I think. I have water filtering to fill the tea jug to make Matt some tea. I have the dishes laid out to make pizza as soon as he gets off work. I have my pumpkin spice candle warming, and it smells so wonderful in here. Can y'all smell it in the dining room? Okay, like it smells like the whole kitchen now smells like that pumpkin spice candle just from being in that warm water warming it up. The spa night stuff is already set out on the counter. I was gonna go ahead and put these in the fridge, and I actually read on here, if I can get the camera to focus on the instructions, it actually says in the instructions it cannot be in the fridge for more than 60 minutes or in the freezer for more than 10 minutes. So I guess I'm just going to go ahead and throw them in whenever we go to do our pizza. And from there, I will set a timer and pull them out whenever we're ready. But yeah, I'm gonna do in here. There's plenty of room in here if need be. We can close the dishwasher. I've got some trash on the floor. I'm gonna vacuum the floor. Kitchen floor is mopped. Dishes are sitting out. I'm gonna have to wait for the floor to dry before I can finish setting up in here.